Imagine buying a car today and knowing that years from now, hundreds of thousands of miles later, that same vehicle is still starting every morning, still running smoothly, and still saving you from expensive repair bills. Because in 2026, choosing a car is not just about the biggest screen, the fastest acceleration, or the most luxurious interior. The real question every smart buyer should ask is, can this car actually survive the test of time? And today, we are looking at 10 cars that have earned a reputation for being almost impossible to kill. These are the vehicles that owners keep for years, mechanics trust, and families depend on every single day. So if you are planning to buy a new car or even a used one, make sure you watch until the end because number one might surprise you. Before we start, tell me in the comments below, what car do you think deserves the title of the most reliable vehicle ever made? Is it Toyota, Honda, Lexus, or maybe something completely different? I want to know what you think. And if you enjoy videos about cars, reliability, hidden gems, and smart buying decisions, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we bring you more videos like this every week. Coming in at number 10 is the Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been one of the most trusted names in the automotive world for decades. This is not a car that tries to impress you for 5 minutes and then becomes a nightmare after a few years. The Accord is built around simplicity, efficiency, and long-term dependability. Many owners have reported keeping their Accords for 200,000, 300,000, and sometimes even more miles with proper maintenance. One of the biggest reasons people trust the Accord is because Honda has always focused on building engines and transmissions that can handle everyday driving without unnecessary complications. Whether you are commuting to work, taking long road trips, or using it as a family vehicle, the Accord has proven again and again that it can handle the job. And this is something important to remember when buying a car in 2026. A reliable vehicle is not always the one with the most technology. Sometimes the smartest choice is the vehicle that does the basics extremely well. At number 9, we have the Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is almost a symbol of reliability. For decades, people have chosen the Camry because they know exactly what they are getting: a comfortable, efficient, and incredibly dependable sedan. The reason the Camry continues to appear on reliability lists year after year is simple. Toyota focuses heavily on durability. The engines are designed to last, maintenance costs are usually reasonable, and the ownership experience is something many drivers appreciate. A lot of people buy a Camry and keep it for 10, 15, or even 20 years. And that tells you something. A truly great car is not only exciting when you first buy it, a truly great car continues to make you happy years later. Now, before moving to the next car, if you are enjoying this list, take a second and press that like button. It helps the video reach more people who are also trying to avoid buying unreliable cars. And don't forget to subscribe because we have more car breakdowns coming. Number 8 on our list is the Lexus ES. Some people think luxury cars automatically mean expensive repairs and endless problems. But Lexus has completely changed that idea. The Lexus ES combines luxury, comfort, and Toyota-level reliability. This is the type of car where you can enjoy a premium driving experience without constantly worrying about unexpected repair bills. The interior feels expensive, the ride quality is smooth, and the engineering behind it is extremely well tested. Many luxury vehicles become expensive headaches after a few years, but Lexus has built a reputation for being different. It proves that you can have comfort and reliability together. Number 7 is the Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla might not be the loudest or most exciting car on the road, but when it comes to dependability, it is one of the strongest names in automotive history. Millions of people around the world have trusted the Corolla because it simply works. It starts, it drives, and it does what it is supposed to do without creating unnecessary problems. The Corolla is a perfect example of why reliability matters. A car is one of the biggest purchases most people make, and nobody wants to spend thousands of dollars fixing problems that could have been avoided. Number 6 is the Subaru Outback. For people who want reliability but also need adventure capability, the Subaru Outback has become a popular choice. The Outback is known for its practicality, all-weather capability, and comfortable design. It is a vehicle that works for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and people who want extra confidence in different driving conditions. What makes the Outback special is that it combines everyday usability with adventure-focused engineering. It is not just a vehicle for one purpose. It can handle many different lifestyles. Number 5 is the Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has become one of the most popular SUVs in the world, and there is a very good reason for that. People choose the RAV4 because it offers the perfect combination of space, efficiency, comfort, and reliability. In a world where SUVs are becoming more popular every year, the RAV4 continues to stand out because owners know they are getting something dependable. The hybrid versions especially have attracted attention because they offer excellent fuel economy while maintaining Toyota's reputation for durability. Number 4 is the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is another SUV that has built a loyal following. Families love it because it is practical, comfortable, and reliable. The CR-V proves that a vehicle does not need to be complicated to be successful. It focuses on what drivers actually need: good space, easy ownership, and long-term dependability. Many CR-V owners say the same thing. They bought one because they wanted a vehicle they could trust. Now we are getting closer to the top 3, and these next vehicles are some of the strongest examples of long-lasting engineering. If you have owned any of these cars, comment below and tell us your experience. Did your car last longer than expected? Did it give you problems? Your story could help another viewer make a smarter decision. Number 3 is the Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has built a legendary reputation among SUV fans. This is a vehicle known for toughness. It is not designed to be a fancy city-only SUV. It is designed to handle difficult conditions, rough roads, and years of ownership. Many owners keep their 4Runners for extremely long periods because of their durability and strong build quality. Number 2 is the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is one of the most recognizable cars ever made. For generations, the Civic has been loved because it delivers efficiency, reliability, and low ownership costs. It is one of those cars that makes sense for many different types of drivers. Students, families, commuters, and enthusiasts have all chosen the Civic because it offers a great balance. And finally, number 1. The number 1 bulletproof car for 2026 is the Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser has earned a legendary status around the world. In some places, people say if you want a vehicle that can survive almost anything, choose a Land Cruiser. This SUV has been used in extreme environments, difficult terrains, and demanding conditions where reliability is not optional. The reason behind its reputation is simple. Toyota designed it with durability as a priority. It is not just built to look good, it is built to keep going. So there you have it, 10 cars that have proven they can stand the test of time. But remember, even the most reliable car still needs proper maintenance. Oil changes, regular inspections, and responsible driving habits can make a huge difference. A great car is not only about the brand name, it is about choosing something that matches your lifestyle and taking care of it. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these 10 cars would you buy in 2026? And which reliable car do you think we missed from this list? Drop your answer in the comments because I always check what you guys think. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe for more car videos, reliability rankings, buying guides, and hidden automotive gems. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.